Bakit po mali yung nakasanayan natin na kapag tinanong natin ang isang bata kung ano ang inaaral niya sa isang college or sa university, ang tanong natin ay, ano ang course mo? At ang sagot ng bata ay, nursing. Dahil ang course or courses are the subjects that are within a curriculum. These are the subjects that you have to take, like English 001, or speech, or technical writing, or creative writing. Program, on the other hand, is the curriculum that you have to go through. It includes the set of subjects that you have to study as well as the requirements that you have to fulfill. Example, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor in Secondary Education, or Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Degree is what you get after you finish all the subjects and requirements prescribed by the program. Your degree is usually awarded upon graduation. It is your formal academic title. Kaya meron tayong term na Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree or Bachelor in Secondary Education degree. Kaya ang tamang tanong po, anong kinukuha mong program sa university? Ang sagot, nursing.